How to create your Threads account. Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how you can easily create a new Threads account. But before we get started, I want you to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. Also, don't forget to turn on the bell icon to get notified about our latest uploads. Now let's begin. So in order to create a new Threads account, you will need to have an Instagram account because your Threads is connected with your Instagram, and that is the only way as of now to create a Threads account. So to do that, you can just open up your Instagram and log into your profile. And from here at the top right corner, you will find this Threads icon on your screen. But if you don't see it, you can tap on Edit Profile, and here you will find an option to show Threads badge. Just turn it on and tap on the Threads icon. So if you already have not created the account, it will show you Get Threads. So just tap on Get Threads and it will redirect you to Play Store, and you will have to log in with your Google Play Store and then download it from there. Once you download your Threads, you will have an option to connect it with your Instagram, and you should be logged into your Threads account like this. So that's pretty much it. If you found this helpful, hit like, share, and subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one.